So I got this nonstick ceramic bakeware set that I am absolutely loving. There's just so many neat features about it. Like on the set, like this is like the pan, like where you would make like banana bread or something, and on each pan it has like a bigger handle on one side, some of them on both sides, so when you're taking something out of the oven you can actually grip it good without trying to have like a little bitty grip on the side. They're just super easy to get in and out, which I absolutely love that. And then also like this cookie sheet, it is so large. I mean, I feel like I always am trying to get 2 pans to get all my cookies in there, and this one I can put everything on there. And then it has this really good big roasting pan, which I love because you can put like your potatoes and meat and everything in there. And then also these cute little cups come like for baking cupcakes or just whatever you want to put, like little bundt cakes and stuff like that. But the other thing that I absolutely love too, as you can see here, when I go to take this out of the pan, it literally comes out. At first I thought like all my other ones, I always have to grease it real good or put something, spray or butter or something down. But this one, I do not have to do that. All I do is just put them in there, and literally when I take it out, I can dump it upside down and it will come out of the tray. Super easy to use. I absolutely love that. It's a heavy duty aluminized steel, so it's a good quality, but it literally is like the only pans I can say that is like the non-stick that come out. But the other thing is that I like about it is it's BPA free, all those B things that are toxic, it's just non-toxic. So I really like that because so many of them, you don't want that leaching into your food, and this one is free of that. You can put these in the dishwasher. They do, recommend you hand wash, but they are dishwasher safe, and you can put them in your oven up to 550 degrees. So, when I went to clean everything, like even those little cups, you could just rinse water on them, wash them off a little bit, and everything just came super clean. So I don't know. I'm just in love with this bakeware set. It's just that it's non-toxic. It's super easy to use, and I've just never had that before. So if you're looking for a good bakeware set, I would highly recommend this one.